Take a look at what happened yesterday. We had temperatures nudging 90 again, as you might expect, especially away from the ocean by a little bit. But at the coastline, even there, the wind was kind of flipping and flopping all over the coast between a sea breeze and a land breeze. So the temperature would go up a little bit, then it'd drop a little bit. And that's likely going to be the case again today. We'll have gentle sea breezes developing, and we'll have temperatures similar to this or even a little bit higher. You'll see that in just a little bit. We've got a few cool pockets this morning where there's some nice radiation of cooling. Much of western New England in the 50s. A few areas up north. Sanford, Maine's 57 degrees right now. We get 56 in Jaffrey. But we've got around 60 in Norwood. We've got much of Worcester County in the upper 50s and lower 60s. There's that 74 at Logan Airport in Boston's urban center there. It's pretty warm. But we've got 58 in Taunton. We've got 61 in Falmouth. So it's a nice start to the day. It's not all that humid out there. It'll turn a little bit more humid during the day. But the real muggy stuff with these dew points above 65 waiting in the wings and ready to get us again starting tomorrow and on Friday. So still comfortable today. Dew points for the most part just under 60, but then getting closer to the upper 60s tomorrow afternoon and in the lower 70s on Friday afternoon. So that's high to oppressive humidity. Then it drops back on Saturday a little bit, still a little bit sticky, but not quite as bad as the next couple of days. And Sunday will be a little bit drier than that. So these will be your highs, mostly in the mid 80s, right at the beaches, with that sea breeze going all day long, but gentle sea breezes, and the water is warm. Lower 90s in many other locations. These will be highs across the nation. One of the hot places, of course, would be Phoenix today at 110. A lot of hazy, hot, and humid. There's a system down there in the northeast Gulf of Mexico which may become a tropical storm. We'll keep you posted on that. We've got the dry air here for now, but we're also looking at the wildfires over Canada and Alaska and the jet stream and the steering currents steering some of that smoke in the high atmosphere down over us. We may see some of that over the next couple of days. We're looking at temperatures going up rapidly today with some of that high cloudiness in place. Very thin, the sun shining through it. Tonight we get some low cloudiness and fog forming on the Cape. For today, we got a high tide coming up late in the day. We've got a low tide right in the middle part of the day. And your forecast coming at you right now for the next 7 days. It's typical July weather, and even for July, it's somewhat above average. Now, there will be a few scattered showers and thunderstorms in the area late Thursday and Thursday night and Friday. But other than that, we have some dry weather over the weekend. Just a slight chance of a thunderstorm Sunday. Pretty hot stuff coming up, and it gets even hotter next week.